Okay, according to a Census Bureau from the years 2000 to 2016, the population of a certain region grew from 273 million to 309 million. What was the percent of increase? So the percent of increase formula is percent of increase is you take the new amount minus the old or the base amount and divide it by the old or the base amount. And when I'm reading this, it says that it went from the year 2000, grew from that number, and it went to the year 2016, so to 309 million. So the one in blue is the newer year. 2016 is a much newer year than the year 2000. So I need the blue number here and the pink number there. And this one's just a flat out calculation. So in blue, we've got 309 million minus 273 million divided by 273 million. Don't worry about the millions because you're doing a percentage here. So 309 minus 273 gives you 36. And 36 divided by 273 gives you 0.131861, and it keeps going there. But that's not a percentage yet. You have to multiply this times 100%, and follow me. That's going to move the decimal from here 2 places. So you'll have 13.18681 blah 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 percent. And they want me to round to 1 decimal place as needed. Don't round until after you've changed it to a percentage. The answer is the percentage. It's the percentage that needs to be to 1 decimal place. The first decimal place is right after the decimal point. That's where the 1 is, but the next number is an 8. So your 13.1 becomes a 13.2. And that is number 23. And I got time to do another one. Marcy is working in a 2-year probationary period as a paralegal. She currently earns $29,170 a year, and after her probationary period, her salary will increase by 26%. What will her yearly salary be at that time? Okay, it's another percent change, and this is an increase. And I know she's making 26%, so that's a 0.26, and that is going to equal her new amount, which is what we're looking for. What will her yearly salary be after the probationary period? I don't know what that is. That's her new salary. We'll just say, what's her new salary? S. Her old salary was this. That's what she's currently making. So 29,170, 29,170. So to solve this, we did a problem like this earlier. I will multiply both sides by, how about I use purple on this? There we go. I want to clear out this fraction. So multiply by the denominator of 29,170. On the left side, it just cross cancels out. On the, that's the right side. I don't know my right from my left. On the right side, over there, cancels out. It's like to take the 29,170 and multiply that times 0.26, and that makes the left side of the equation 7,584.2, and that's going to equal S minus 29,170. That's a 0.2. So all I have to do now is add the 29,170 to both sides. And once again, a negative and a positive, that's just 0, right? So you're just left with S over here. And then when I add those two numbers together, I will have what her new salary will be after the probationary period. And she'll be making $36,754.20. And let me read, let's see, round to the nearest integer is needed. Okay, the nearest integer, the 4 is the nearest integer. The next number is a 2, so it's just going to stay a 4. So her salary will be $36,754. Big bucks. Okay.